Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today we're going to show you how to install our hollow bar end adapters for bar end mirrors. These will work on pretty much any bar from 7/8 to 1 inch with a hollow end on it, and 7/8 bar end mirrors. They have to be mirrors for 7/8 bars, not 1 inch bars, because the adapter is actually 7/8. So other than that, they'll work on any 7/8 or 1 inch bar. Most handlebars you'll find are going to have a hollow end, so these adapters will work for you. But there are some OEM companies that have this closed off, and there'll be a screw hole for end caps, or weighted bar ends, or tree guards, or whatever that they have over here. So if you got them, these are not going to work for you. But if you have an aftermarket bar or an OEM that has a hollow end on it, then you can use these. So these work, again, it's one kit that works on 7/8 or 1 inch. So on the 7/8, this will slide right in and be pretty snug right off the start. But on a 1 inch, we want to get it expanded a little bit before we put it in there. One little thing that I like to do is put just a little bit of lube on the end of the screw there, so it will spin there without really gouging into the metal there. We start off with our 4mm Allen. We got a 10mm nut. As you tighten it, the rubber is going to expand. And we want to get it till we just have to push it in a little bit. So as the rubber is expanding in there, it makes it tighter, and now it just keeps getting tighter and tighter. So now they're nice and solid. And from there, we can mount on our mirror. The advantage to this over, say, like a CRG setup here, they have a little lip on there that you have to have a double clamp to be able to clamp over it. So you wouldn't be able to install a Moto Gadget one on one of their ends. With this, you can just slide right on, and we're going to tighten it up. So any bar end mirror that doesn't have a double clamp on it, you'll be able to use these adapters for it. That's it, nice and tight. So again, these only work with 7/8 mirrors that are able to go on 7/8 bars. As you can see, there's that little brass fitting in there. That's what makes it fit on a 7/8. If you were mounting these on a 1 inch from these Moto Gadget mirrors, you would take that out, but that won't work on this kit. So these have to use a 7/8 adapter on them. So you have to make sure whatever mirrors you're using that they have that 7/8 adapter, or they're made for 7/8 bars exclusively. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Expand it a little bit. Get a mirror on. Make sure we have our adapter in there for the 7/8. And just remember, when you're putting on bar ends, don't turn your handlebars too quick for the first time. Make sure you got clearance on everything. And that's it. Thanks for watching.